Hello YouTube, I'm Emil and I do sneaker unboxing, online shopping, and travel vlogs with my girlfriend. If you're planning to go to Bali, Indonesia, I just posted our complete 3-day trip in that majestic place. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox a sneaker that I got last October 2018. So I got it from the Adidas Talk Philippines Facebook group or ATP and from WearFromHK page. I joined their giveaway contest in which I've won luckily. I'd like to apologize first to the admins of ATP because I wasn't able to fulfill what I've written on my IG post last year. And for the thought that I already sold the sneaker that I got. Again, apologies. The sneaker has been with me since day one, and you may also notice the box in the background when I do my sneaker vlogs. Anyway, let's go over with the unboxing of this sneaker. Let's go. We have here an off-white colored Adidas box. By the way, this sneaker was designed and created using miAdidas platform, which was discontinued by Adidas earlier this year. So let's pop the box open. So we have here first a 10-piece sticker pack exclusively from Adidas Talk Philippines. A receipt which was dated September 9, 2018, and Adidas string bag, a pair of flat laces, yellow flat laces, and of course the sneakers itself. There we go, boom! This is the I5923 sneaker in the Google colorway. The sneaker contains mixed materials which I really like. So let's go over the details of the shoe. So the toe and lacing areas in blue are in suede material, while the red parts, the tongue area is mesh, and the heel counter at the back is suede. The green part, which can be seen here at the back, is in leather material. When I was designing this sneaker, there was no option of color yellow aside from the gum sole. So yeah, this is the only yellow part of this sneaker. But there was an extended effort from the admins of ATP, and yeah, they provided me this extra pair of yellow flat laces. Thank you so much, admins, specifically to Sir Mervin because he delivered the pair to me in person. By the way, I got another pair of extra laces in yellow from Mr. Lacy. Here it is. I'm gonna try them both on, and please let me know in the comment section which one is better. We go now to the 3 stripes branding, which is in black. The same color of the text when we search something in google.com. Now, inside the sneaker, are very much called insole, but I don't think it's an insole because I5923 doesn't have insoles. But yeah, so there were 2 words repeatedly printed inside of this sneaker, which is empathy and gratitude. In my line of work at Google Operations Center, these 2 words are very important. Always give empathy to clients who are reaching out to you for help, and show gratitude to the people who sees your effort every day. This sneaker is also inspired by the Pharrell Williams Crazy BYWX, which I also have. Lastly, we have the comfiest midsole, which is the Boost in white. So for a sneaker that is stored for more than a year in its box, I'm quite surprised there's no yellowing on any part of the midsole. I guess I'm just good at taking care of this sneaker. Now I'm gonna throw in some on-feet look of this sneaker with my cool Levi's socks. Let's roll it out. Okay, that's it for this vlog. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to click the thumbs up button and click the subscribe button as well. Also, go follow the Instagram page of ATP and mine as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace out.